Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky home appliance problems into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the Hoover washing machine error E22, a common issue that can pop up in 2025 models and beyond. If your machine is flashing this code, it means there's a problem with the drainage system, and we're here to help you troubleshoot it quickly and safely. First off, let's understand what error E22 really means. In Hoover washing machines, this error typically indicates that the appliance isn't draining water properly. It could be something simple like a clogged filter or a more involved issue like a faulty pump. The good news is, many cases can be fixed at home without calling a professional right away. So, what are the common causes? Often, it's a blocked drain hose, which might be kinked or obstructed by debris. Another frequent culprit is the pump filter, which collects lint, coins, and other gunk over time. In some instances, it could even be related to an overloaded machine or low water pressure. Let's walk through the troubleshooting steps. Start by unplugging your washing machine for safety. Always prioritize that. Next, locate the drain hose, usually at the back of the machine, and check for any bends or blockages. Straighten it out and ensure it's securely connected to the drain. Now, find the pump filter, typically at the bottom front of your Hoover model. Remove it carefully, clean out any buildup with warm water, and reinstall it snugly. After that, plug the machine back in and run a drain or spin cycle to test. If the error persists, double-check for any other obstructions or consider if the pump might need replacement. Remember, if you're not comfortable with these steps or if the problem continues, it's best to contact a certified technician to avoid any risks. To prevent error E22 in the future, make it a habit to clean your filter every few months and inspect your hoses regularly. That's all for today. We hope this guide saves you time and frustration. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.